Facebook business page and you're not quite sure how to manage it, how to handle it, what to do with it, well, let me tell you right now, you're not alone. Hi there, my name's Lee from Moana Marketing and Events. Now, if you do have a problem where you find that you've got a Facebook business page, but you're having a bit of trouble growing your audience, you're not quite sure what to post on there, how regularly to post on there, where to find good content, things like that, I have the answer. So I've just recently produced a workshop called Facebook for Business 101. And through that Facebook for Business 101 workshop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you all of the different features that Facebook has made available for you to be able to use as a business. I'm going to go through insights and understanding them, and that's also going to help you to understand your audience, who they are, what time they're on Facebook, what kind of posts they like to engage with, all that kind of thing. I'm going to go through lots of different content ideas with you and how to find them, where to get it from, how regularly you should post, things like that. Plus, I'm going to go through a lot more as well. Now, I've just got some fantastic feedback from people who have done my course, and here's one that I'd like to show you.
My name's Amy. I work at Ames Physio Clinical Exercise and Pilates based in Mudgeeraba. I've just attended Facebook for Business 101 with Lee. I basically came because I've just started my own business, set up my own Facebook page, but don't quite know how to use it and what it will do to benefit my business. So yeah, I just wanted to come and learn how to use insights, how to put events up, just how to do all that Facebook content that we need to do for our business. And I got a lot out of it today. I highly recommend it to anyone. I learned everything I came in expecting to learn and probably more, and I'll end up coming to more of these courses to learn a lot more and a lot more advanced stuff. Thank you.
So as you can see, I'm getting some really good feedback from the course. It's definitely worth your while to do. So if you would like to find out a little bit more about how to best use your Facebook business page, then please do come along and check out my online workshop, Facebook for Business 101. There'll be a link down in the comments section below for you to pop on. You can look at the overview and see what it's all about, and hopefully you'll jump on and do the course. Thank you so much for your time. My name's Lee from Moana Marketing, making marketing easier.